April 25, obligatory opening of TikTok purchases, just in case. So 202, yeah, that's it. This is a clipper shave. So paano natin malalaman kung gumagana? Kailangan natin ng saksakan. How to open? Alikabok! Ang nag-courier ko si Christopher Billones always. Saan ba galing to? Valenzuela City. San Diego, Valenzuela City. Green gate at the end of the road. Factory Outlets Mall. So that's what I bought. There. So let's open. Okay. There it is. Something to turn on. We have to learn. Here. Something to turn on. Somewhere there, yan. May kasamang trimmer professional. Yarn, metal aluminum tube appearance, zero distance oil head design, powerful motor, surging power. Okay. So may kasama siyang ganito. Oh my god, what is this for? The charging cable, and meron siyang apat, 4mm, the 3mm, the 1.5, and the 2. Oh my god. Yun. Originally, I wanted yung ganyan. I think nagkamali ako ng pindot. So, ganyan. Wala kasi akong buhok ngayon. Tingnan ko nga. So, can we turn this on? Is there initial power? Oh, there it is. Can you hear the, the vibration? So, ganyan. Parang wala namang nangyayari. Well, it's vibrating. Naku, para lang yata ito sa buhok. Hindi para sa valvas. Kamali ako. Kasi marami, siguro may isa pa, hindi bale. Okay naman to. Hindi siya pwede para dun sa maliliit na valve. Eh wala nang, hindi ko pa nga nalalagyan ng ganito. I think this is for the hair. So, wrong purchase but keeping it.